So taking this opportunity, I request our Managing Director to please come on the stage, sir, once again and break this curiosity. Please announce the prize. Managing Director, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for once again inviting me to disclose the price of Suzuki Liana. Usually, normal ceremony, I finish only one that the opening address. But today that Mr. Ashwak make me work hard. I understand, I can feel you all are very curious about it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have done a lot of homework and effort in finalizing the price, which not only the competitiveness, but also the very attractive. Okay, I disclose the price. The retail price of Suzuki Liana 1.3 liter RXI standard petrol version is sorry, I misread that, my draft. Maybe a little bit excited. Once again, I'll start from beginning. The retail price of the Suzuki Liana 1.3 liter RXI petrol version is 794,000. Thank you. In the end, I'd like to say that great ideas, great people, great influence, and great cars not just get developed. There is a lot of hard work behind such initiatives. Very soon, you will get to see another fabulous show, a show that will show that will Hey, Liana is coming!
preferences, your style is what we think about when producing. गाड़ी तो सब ही रखते हैं, बात तो तब है जब अपना पैशन हासिल किया जाए. लियाना, नए दौर की जिंदगी, life in a new age.
But I dream of rising. Sign it's time to leave.
A style that will exceed your imagination. A luxury that will amaze your expectations. A car that will ignite your passion. Suzuki Liana. नए दौर की जिंदगी. Life in a new age. Rhythm of motion, picture of perfection. Reach out for your destination. Feel the sensation beyond imagination. Suzuki Liana, life in a new age. The new hot Liana, जिसे चाहें आप पाना, जिसमें है वो सारी खूबियां कि जिनकी करें हम सब तमन्ना. सुजुकी लियाना, नए दौर की जिंदगी.
Build a foundation, boys and girls, right across the nation. Give it up, feel the vibration in your soul. Build a foundation of love. Oh, keep on, let's have some fun tonight. Come on, it's sunshine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Liana, not just another car, It's your passion to be different, to be powerful, to be in command, to live the new age life. Suzuki Liana. Hey friends, reach out, fulfill your dreams. Liana is heading towards you from the back side, from the rear exit or entrance. With its maintenance-free timing chain, twin-cam EFI engine, complemented with high-performance transmission, get ready to blast off. पावर के साथ साथ फ्यूल की उम्दा बचत। यही नहीं, अभी बहुत कुछ है आपके लिए लियाना में। सुजुकी लियाना, नए दौर की जिंदगी। Ladies and gentlemen, the Liana has a two-tone interior, power steering, power windows, central locking, CD, MP3 and cassette player with immobilizer and keyless entry feature. In our every variation of Liana, we want to spoil you. So be ready to experience your passion. The Suzuki Liana. Extra comforting suspension, superior security features, aerodynamic shape, and yes, ABS. जी हाँ, खातिरों हज़रात, लियाना में है मौजूद एंटी लॉक ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम, जो गाड़ी के पहियों को लॉक होने से महफूज रखता है। सुजुकी लियाना। आपके लिए मुकम्मल कंट्रोल, नए दौर की जिंदगी, नए दौर की लियाना। Introducing for the first time in Pakistan electronic CNG injection technology with dual cylinder in the trunk without compromising on the luggage space. Now you get more miles to cover and less price to pay. Suzuki Liana. वजूद जन से है इस जहां में रंगों का समा। जी हाँ, लेकिन कुछ रंग और भी हैं कि जिनसे समा में आएगी मजीद बहार। ये रंग है लियाना के, जो खास तौर से आपकी पसंद को मद्देनजर रखते हुए बनाए गए हैं। लियाना comes in fascinating colors, colors of new age, colors that depict your personality, your style. Suzuki Liana. आइए महसूस कीजिए नए दौर की लाइफ in a new age. Rhythm of motion, picture of perfection. Reach out for your destination. Feel the sensation beyond imagination. Back disc player, MP3 player, cassette player with immobilizer and keyless entry feature. In our every variation of Liana, we want to spoil you. So be ready to experience your superior security features, aerodynamic shape, and yes, ABS. जी हाँ, लियाना में है मौजूद याद रहे दोस्तों, लियाना में है मेंटेनेंस फ्री टाइमिंग चेन, ट्विन कैम EFI इंजन, complemented with high performance transmission. Get ready to blast off. पावर के साथ साथ फ्यूल की उम्दा बचत। यही नहीं, बहुत कुछ है लियाना में। टू टोन इंटीरियर, पावर स्टीयरिंग, पावर विंडोज, सेंट्रल लॉकिंग, CD player, MP3 player, cassette player, immobilizer and keyless entry. In our every variation of Liana, we want to spoil you. So be spoiled, ready to experience your passion. अब आपके सामने है सुजुकी लियाना। जी हाँ दोस्तों, नए दौर की जिंदगी, लाइफ इन द न्यू एज। द चॉइस इज योर्स एंड वी नो दैट यू विल मेक द राइट चॉइस। सुजुकी लियाना, पावर पैक परफॉर्मेंस ओनली फॉर योर पैशन। I would like to invite all our Liana couples to please kindly join me on stage. All our Liana couples to please kindly join us on stage. I would also request Mr. Kenichi Ayokawa, the Managing Director of Park Suzuki Motor Company Limited, to please kindly join us on stage. The Managing Director, Park Suzuki Motor Company Limited, please kindly join us on stage. I would also like to request Mr. Ashfaq Hussain, General Manager Marketing, Park Suzuki, to please kindly join us on stage. Mr. Ashfaq Hussain, please kindly join us on stage. I'd also request Mr. Gulzar Mughal of Gul Studio. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Gulzar Mughal of Gul Studio for presenting this outstanding event for all of us. And Mr. Rashad Ahmed, General Manager, Gul Studio, to join us on stage. Tonight's event has been designed and produced by Gul Studio, and what a wonderful launch event for an outstanding vehicle, the Suzuki Liana. Ladies and gentlemen, Suzuki Liana, made in Pakistan, unveiled before your eyes here at the Expo Center, Karachi. We thank the Honorable MD. Sir, thank you for giving us another wonderful vehicle. Thank you, sir, for being here and having us here. And ladies and gentlemen, today is a special evening. Now, Suzuki does not believe only in saying what it has to offer. Suzuki wants you to experience what it has to offer. And therefore, we have arranged a specifically designed test drive area outside of the hall, where we have lots of vehicles, Suzuki Lianas, waiting for you outside. Kindly request you, those of you who would like to test drive the vehicle and feel the passion, feel what the vehicle has to offer, we request you, please kindly come outside to the test drive area and drive a Suzuki Liana yourself and see what we're talking about. We have our Suzuki executives waiting for you outside. We will be outside. I will be outside. One more time, we thank Suzuki, Park Suzuki Motors. Thank you, sir, for a wonderful new car. Gul Studio for a wonderful event. Neha Ahmed for coordinating a wonderful evening here. Neha, where are you? Thank you. Well done, Neha. And most of all, we'd like to thank you, the people of Karachi. A big round of applause for everyone who's in here. All of you, thank you for being here. Enjoy the test drive, enjoy Suzuki Liana, enjoy the new way of life. Good night, everyone. Thank you. एक बार फिर ख़वातीन और हज़रात, हमने आज आपके लिए सुजुकी लियाना टेस्ट ड्राइव करने के लिए बहुत सारी गाड़ियां बाहर खड़ी की हैं। हमारे सुजुकी के एग्जीक्यूटिव्स आपके मुंतज़िर हैं। आइए हमारे साथ सुजुकी लियाना की टेस्ट ड्राइव कीजिए। हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव्स आपके तमाम सवालों के जवाब देंगे और